Hi, I'm Scott Olson, co-founder of LTCshop.com and author of Long-Term Care Insurance Now. Now, just because it's difficult for a claim to be denied, that does not mean that filing a long-term care insurance claim is easy. Several factors can make long-term care insurance claims hard to process for most of us. The first factor, the most difficult thing, is no prior experience. Okay. Do you remember the first time you filed a auto insurance claim, or the first time you filed a homeowner's insurance claim, or even the first time you had a medical insurance claim? Okay. It was all new. When you first learned about medical insurance, it's all new. The hardest part about a long-term care insurance claim is that it's brand new for everyone. Okay. Even though over 1.7 million people have received benefits from their long-term care insurance policies, most of us have never filed a long-term care insurance claim. Even your doctor has lots of experience filing medical insurance claims, but little or no experience filing a long-term care insurance claim. Another thing that can make long-term care insurance claims difficult is delays in getting copies of medical records. Before approving a claim, the insurance company usually needs to review the policyholder's medical records. Privacy laws designed to protect us have created roadblocks to keep our medical records from getting into the wrong hands. These same roadblocks can cause long delays in getting your medical records from your doctor's office to the insurance company's claims personnel. Another thing that can be difficult about long-term care insurance claims is all the legal documents that you need. The policyholder is usually not the one submitting the claim. If a relative of the policyholder is submitting the claim, the doctor's office is going to need to know the loved one has the legal authority to represent the policyholder. Until the doctor's office is satisfied that you have that legal authority to represent the policyholder, they can't send any records to the insurance company. That's why legal documents like a durable power of attorney should be put in place well in advance of needing care. Also, snail mail. Okay. Communication between long-term care insurers and their policyholders must be HIPAA compliant. For many companies, communication needs to be done by snail mail or over the phone. Sending protected health information through an unsecure fax or an unsecure email is a potential HIPAA violation, subjecting the insurance company to huge fines. So having to be HIPAA compliant can increase delays and frustration for the claimant's family. Fortunately, most long-term care insurance companies today have secure portals, which help to speed up the process and still be HIPAA compliant. Lastly, there's often other potential delays. For example, insurance laws in many states require that the insurance company either approve or deny the claim within 60 days of receiving the claim form. The claim is rejected if the medical records have not been received yet, or if the notes of care or the plan of care has not been sent to the insurance company yet. The claim can be reopened once all that information has been received. But regardless, this can be very frustrating for the loved one who's handling the claim. Fortunately, I used a simple trick to make the long-term care insurance claims process super easy. When it was time to file a claim on my mother-in-law's long-term care policy, I did not handle her claim. Even though I have been a licensed insurance agent specializing in long-term care insurance since 1995, I did not handle her claim. We contacted one of the national home care agencies, one of the larger home care agencies in all 50 states, and they handled it for us. Many of the larger home care agencies process tens of thousands of long-term care insurance claims every year. All we had to do was give a copy of the policy to the agency manager, sign a HIPAA form, and they took care of the rest. This particular agency that we used handled the claim for us for free. Now, it makes sense. The home care agencies get paid by the long-term care insurance companies. They have a financial incentive to set up a system to get long-term care insurance claims approved quickly and easily. When you go to the doctor, do you file the claim with your medical insurance company? No. Your doctor's office has a claim specialist, and the claim specialist handles the claim for you. The same is true for long-term care insurance. That is why we had a long-term care insurance claim specialist handle my mother-in-law's claim instead of trying to file the claim ourselves. But best of all, since we didn't have to deal with the claims process, my wife and I were able to focus on her mom and her dad. By letting the home care agency file the paperwork, and we could spend our energy on the people who needed our love and concern. Our energy and our attention was focused on them. And that's what it's all about.